Okay, so this is gonna be a quick walk through the device I have made. This is a dashboard. It's an Arduino based circuit that takes some values out of some electrodes, built-in electrodes, capacitors. So basically what it does, it detects capacitance, human capacitance, so I can turn it into some values. So basically what I have done is modify one Arduino code so it can detect the distance from when I'm touching the boards, and it gives a different values depending on how close to each sensor I am. And as a feature instructor, I have used this processing sketch taken from the Wakinator examples, which is the serial processing adaptive input, which takes all these values, and as you can see, I can, if I'm touching the device, they will change. The thing is, these values are, as you can see, a bit jumpy, so basically I had to use Wiki input helper to assist me and allow me to have steady values. So to do this, I had to go through like several trials until I got the maximum over window algorithm with 10 as a window size that fixed the problem. So as you can see now, it's much steadier. Then I sent all these values to port 6449 so I can use them in Wakinator. So in Wakinator I have set 5 outputs, and I have trained the first 2 outputs to work with a neural network, the third with a regression, and 4 and 5 with neuro network as well. So basically, after these outputs are sent into this processing sketch, which is processing to MIDI continuous control. So basically it takes these OSC messages and turn them into MIDI signals, and these MIDI signals will be sent to Logic. So basically in Logic I had to also train these incoming MIDI signals to with some smart control functions it has, and yeah, I have used this smart control panel so I can control this crossfade, the timbre, the cutoff, the resonance, and the LF4 modulation from the board. So basically my intention was to be able to control these X and Y coordinates by doing a similar motion with my hands. And if I run, well, basically if I try, I can more or less do it. It's not that accurate, but after many trials, trained regression, polynomial polynomial regression algorithm with different coefficients and everything, it turns out that the best option was to use a neural network with one hidden layer, and the same as nodes, the same amount as the input size, which is 5. If I run this, you will see that I can actually have some control over the sound. This control is for my right hand. With the left hand, I got similar control, and at the same time, I'm controlling the LF4 modulation, the resonance, and with my index finger, I can control the cutoff. So pretty much I can do this with both my hands, and I can't do it now because I'm recording the video, but that's pretty much what my program does.